Turner, it's his third and final year as the team leader. He's a former Jaguar pilot, and he's got a lot of display experience. So he displayed the Jaguar, spent 3 years previously with the Red Arrows, including leading the Supro pair. He spent 3 years as the Inspector Advisor to the Royal Saudi Air Force's display team. Smoke comes on to the right, you hear Reds 2 and 3 acknowledge the move to Eagle. They do so with very metronomic cadence in their voices, the idea being on the count of 3 in their heads they extend their air brakes, and on the count of 6 they retract their air brakes, and then they will form unison in the shape of Eagle, providing Eagle roll. As the jets go upside down, boys and girls, let's give the pilots a big wave. When the Red Arrows formed in 1964, ready for its first season in 1965, the aircraft they used was the Holland Gnat, and that was the advanced jet trainer in the Royal Air Force in that era. But in 1976, the Hawk and Sydney Hawk entered service with the Royal Air Force, and in 1980, the Red Arrows began to use the Hawk as their aerobatic aircraft. It's now a product of BAE Systems. It's a very successful export, having been sold to 19 countries across the world. Quite an old aircraft now, the first flight of the Hawk had its anniversary last week, in fact, 40th anniversary of the Hawk. Now looking out to the front, the smoke comes on as they reverse this shape, and we call this flanker. On the leader's right wing is one of our new pilots for this year. He is Red 2, Flight Lieutenant Stu Campbell. Stu is a former Tucano instructor. You saw his display earlier. He taught basic fast jet training on the Tucano. He actually displayed that aircraft in 2008. Operation included the Tornado GR4. And out to the right, the boys have formed our trademark shape, ready for the diamond roll. On the big wave, boys and girls. We fly our formations with the odd-numbered pilots on the left-hand side, the even-numbered pilots fly on. Pull up at 400 miles an hour. Now another formation change takes place. The aircraft reach a height of 6,000 feet. You see there on the shape of a feathered arrow. The aircraft have now slowed down to about 150 miles an hour. The G's backed off for around 1 G. As they start coming down the other side of the hill, they're accelerating back up to 400 miles an hour. The G's building up to 4G in Fred. That's the end. Crosshair believe. This is the palm split.